array, we need to use collection. And in order to do task 2, task 3, and task 4, you need to use Java 8 features. You can use functional interface, streams, and optional. Nothing to change with. So the first task, you need to write a program to read the flight route information in CSV, store the information in a list called as route info, display the details of flight route information from the file using Java 8 feature. So you need to display all the detail. Define the second method, which is show direct flight, by passing your array list object and from city. So based on from city, you need to match and you need to display whichever the flight information details matching with the from city which you have passed. If you don't find flights with the respective from city, you need to pass this error message. If you have specified Delhi, you should get Delhi, whichever the flight starting from Delhi. So the task 2 cities needs to be sorted in task 3. Task 4, given the source city and destination, you need to find out the connecting air as well as intermediate cities. First, list the direct routes. Next, list the routes that having intermediate connection. If there is no flight available, you need to display the appropriate. See, as per the sample output they have provided. So if you give Delhi and London, I should get Delhi-London flight as well as connecting flight, Delhi-Frankfurt, Frankfurt-London. So again, I'm telling you, all the tasks remain same, data remains same. And what I want to say, yeah, one more thing, as per the output they have shared, there is only one intermediate connecting flight. If it is London to Sydney, one direct flight, London to San Francisco to Sydney, one stop flight. Don't need to think 2, 3 and all. It's very important, same concept. You create a project, there is no boilerplate. Routes.csv you can retrieve from the previous project and create a flight class, add constructor, getter, setter. You need to use only collection to store the data, and for operation you need to use Java 8 features. This time you need to submit and present the project. So I will start the presentation tomorrow based on your completion. So let's assume tomorrow 10 of you have completed. You can give the presentation on Friday. The rest can give it on Saturday. So why I'm giving? Because it's already done. All the flight, CSV, flight class, everything you can copy paste, including your main. Only thing is, even you can copy paste all the operations. You change the body part of all the function with Java 8 features. So when you are presenting, you need to create a PowerPoint presentation. I'm not going to give any hint for PowerPoint presentation. I'm leaving to you. Based on your presentation, I'll update you what are all the changes needs to be in common. Whenever if you are giving presentation, there should be a proper title, your details, objective, modules, and technologies you have used, and explanation of modules. Additionally, something if you want to make it new, make it. You need to present your PowerPoint presentation. If required, coding needs to be explained based on the mentor requirement. So tomorrow afternoon I'll start. So try to complete it tomorrow so that you can enjoy your weekend. Else you need to complete your presentation by this weekend. Monday I'm starting with RDBMS and SQL module, course 6. Still many.
Class diagram is also required.
It's not required.
Okay, ma'am.
Required for this project. If you want, you can put no wrong in that. Who is this? Someone said want to connect. Harshad, shall we connect in breakout room?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to connect or you have resolved that error?
No, ma'am. I want to connect.
All right. So please join in room 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Asif sir, please take care.
Yes, Sangeeta. So those all of you who have completed that sprint, please upload your link in the Google Sheet. I think most of you have completed, right? The cricket sprint. So without any further delay, push your code, make us maintainer, and share the link in the sheet. All of you. Gaurav? Yeah, your cricket sprint is done, right?
No, sir. Last part is remaining.
Sorry?
Last part remaining, sir.
Last part remaining. Okay, once you have done with it, please share your link. Okay. What about Shubham Alam? Have you done it?
Last
Shubham?
task is remaining, sir.
Last task. Which one? That last task, last function?
Highest score.
Highest score. Okay, okay. Okay, fine. If you require any help, let us know. Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Vivek, only Vivek.
Doing, sir. Doing.
Still doing. Okay. So by end of today, you just finish it off, and while doing, if you require any support, let me know, so that by end of today, we are done with that sprint, and we'll be sharing our link to the